most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeray.
Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday as we settle into June. It's been dry again, but that is going to change this week, or at least we hope. Now, again, I'm not going to overpromise and tell you that this week's going to cure all of our rainfall ills. It won't, but it is going to help, and at least it's going to be more rain than we've seen here recently. As we take a live look over Hershey on this Monday, 70 degrees, and one of the things that we have not seen is muggy air, and that is changing this morning with very warm temperatures, at least compared to what we've been dealing with for most of the spring. A dew point of 70 degrees and basically calm winds, although the flag is blowing a little bit on the hilltop. Yesterday, 88. It felt nice and toasty, felt summer-like in the afternoon. Dew points remain pretty low, though. 82 is the normal right now, so we are above that. The sun coming up this morning in just under an hour, I should say, at 5:37. No rain yesterday. And our yearly departure now sits at 6 1/3 inches. I mean, it has been a long time since I remember this much of a deficit over the region. We just have not had any solid rain. Satellite and radar pictures showing you some light showers trying to develop ahead of what is a main line back to the west. I think a lot of the showers are going to hold off locally until after 10 a.m. And then at any point after that, through the afternoon and early evening, we will see some showers and a few thunderstorms develop. But clouds are going to be around here this morning. Look at these temperatures. Extremely muggy, right? 70s. We have not seen that. We've seen some very comfortable mornings this spring. Temperatures right now 75 in Lancaster, 74 in Harrisburg. It is a mild start, 72 in Chambersburg. And when we look over the last 24 hours, the numbers have gone up by a significant amount, 10 to 20 degrees warmer than yesterday at this time when we had a very comfortable morning. And the other thing to look at, current dew points now in the 50s and low 60s. So it is very, very warm, not quite muggy yet. I mean, these dew points aren't out of control, but we can see them inching upward. And as they continue to inch upward, that is going to help to feed some showers and some thunderstorms later. And we can see in western Pennsylvania, it's a wet morning, and they're thankful for the rain, too. Most of the state has been under at least some type of a drought over the last couple of weeks with this deficit building throughout the spring. So also some rain going to help Canada out as well this morning around the Great Lakes. As this system moves toward us, though, especially with some morning clouds, the question will be, will there be enough instability to create some thunderstorms? I don't think anything severe, but if we can get at least some thunderstorms with this, that will at least increase our rain activity. So what's going to happen is the front is going to move through here today with some showers and maybe a few thunderstorms, and then this upper level low. This is going to do what we like to call the old sit and spin here this week. It's going to kind of spiral around the Great Lakes and provide us with more opportunities for rain almost every other day. Wednesday will be another opportunity. Friday will be another opportunity, and perhaps Sunday will be another opportunity. So in terms of our severe risk today, you'll notice we are not included in any slight risk area. That is saved for coastal regions, but I would still watch. If we can get a thunderstorm or two later this afternoon, some brief heavy rain is possible. I do think some hail would be possible with these cells today, and even a few damaging wind gusts. Not likely, but it's possible as these things kind of blow up over the region. So here's after 10 a.m. You'll notice most of us are still quiet, but during the late morning hours and then heading into the afternoon, some of these cells could blow up. Any brief heavy rain would be welcome at this point. We start to see some drying after 6 p.m. and the storms will exit. And you'll notice tomorrow looks pretty nice, mainly sunny. That's why it's the pick of the week. And then as we move into Tuesday night and Wednesday, another chance for a few showers. Wednesday looks unsettled. Some showers and some thunderstorms will rotate around with this low. So it looks like another opportunity for some rain. I don't want to overpromise though, so we're just going to show today. And there's a couple of things to focus on. Don't focus on the numbers with each town. The models have a hard time with convective rains. But one of the things we do notice in the models is that eastern Pennsylvania up into the Poconos and the Lehigh Valley has the best chance to see the most rain today. Whether or not some of us get an inch, we might if the cells are convective. If not, maybe a quarter to a half inch of rain in some locations. But then there's other locations, especially in the west, where the rain doesn't blow up and you get mist. So it's the perfect environment that, it's going to be feast or famine today in terms of rainfall. We're hoping for the best, but again, don't bank on it. Keep watering those gardens and the lawns. It's going to be a little bit breezy here as we move into the day as well with this system coming on through. At times tomorrow, the breeze may kick around and into Wednesday as well. We're going to see that wind kick around as this low continues to rotate. So what does that mean for the week ahead? Well, let's show you the 7-day forecast, and you can kind of see it play out. Tomorrow actually looks decent after today's rain. Mostly sunny, 78. Showers and thunderstorms back in the forecast for Wednesday. That's not a bad thing. And then a bit warmer here on Thursday, up to 81. It looks nice. Some stray showers again on Friday. and on Sunday. So, Kayla, this is going to help at least a little bit. I'm not going to overpromise that every backyard is going to see a lot of rain, but boy, do we need it, and we'll get at least some of it today.
Well, that sounds great. And it's time for this morning's Social Sip.